how to fix Spotify recommendations on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Spotify recommendations on Android phone. First, go to settings and then scroll down until you find this one here, apps. Click on it and then click apps again and then type here Spotify. Click on it and here we'll find storage. Click on it and clear cache. And that's how to fix Spotify recommendations not showing. And just restart your phone and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.